So I saved the miracle fruit from the walk, and it's famous because when you eat it before and then taste something else, it gives it a different flavor completely. And I've never actually tried it, just heard about it lots of times. So, little red one here.
Make the juice go all around your mouth.
Okay. There's the skin. So itself doesn't have the craziest flavor, but
not at all.
Mm.
The way it works, it actually paralyzes the taste buds that detect sound. Yeah, it won't last forever though, don't worry.
Whoa. Alright, so bite of a bumpy
lemon, I call it that one.
Bumpy lemon, I like that name.
Jamaican.
Whoa, it tastes like it's covered in sugar. Whoa, it gives it, that is so crazy. You could eat full lemons like they're oranges, just tearing off pieces.